Hey there, Ken. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. How are you? Hey, brother, I apologize. I found your information actually buried in some comments on Facebook from a post I did a while back, so I'm late getting this to you. I normally see that in a messenger, but I thought I'd get this off to you. I think you got an interesting business here in Maryland, and I'm actually familiar with that area. I lived outside Ocean City there for a little while. But want to get this over to you. So, wanted to talk about the three primary things that holds the most weight in Google's eyes when it comes to ranking a website. And the number one thing is looking at your site here, like how it's laid out. Great graphic in that. Um, Number one is content. So, believe it or not, Google likes to see 1,500 words or more on the front page. And so just looking through what you guys have here, you've just got a couple hundred words. These all count. And the image, some of this stuff counts. But so you really only have about 250 words here on this page. So my first suggestion would be, believe it or not, you have to add 1,250 words, and with the proper content keywords that you want to rank for within your insurance and all of the different services that you have. So that's the number one suggestion. And taking a look at the competition, I did a quick search. Didn't see any real difference. I did life insurance, I did car insurance, I did homeowners insurance, and actually those all had a search volume of 0. So just insurance, Prince Frederick, Maryland has 10 per month. If we take Prince Frederick out and just do Maryland, now you've got 110 a month. Just out of curiosity, let's see if we just go ahead and print that in there. Okay, so that's where the money. Insurance Maryland. So statewide, you have 880 searches per month. Keyword difficulties pretty high as far as your competition, 72. So I want to show that to you, but if we go back to Prince Frederick, that's where I did the search. And again, it's about 10 per month. And the first thing we see here is the map pack. And actually, you guys are in the number 4 position in the map pack right here. So with just a little tweaking, if you tweak your business description, add some current pictures, and kind of babysit this a little bit, you actually come up here in the top 3, and that will garner you some phone calls very quickly. So just looking at this, this is your Google My Business. Let's see if we can just get to the... Okay, so this is taking you right to your GMB website. Nothing wrong with that. Actually, it's better than having the GMB listing. So this looks pretty good here, guys. You got some posts, you got some testimonials. So you've been doing a good job on this Google website in particular. So this is in addition to your regular business website. Looks like you're modernizing this. I'm surprised that you are only in the number 4 position. So again, go back and maybe look at the business description, add some pictures, and you'll be in the top 3, which is really important. So the name, address, phone number in the business description is actually your citation, it's called. So that's the third thing that I normally talk about is citations. So content, then backlinks, then citations. And the Google listing is the original and best citation. And then that citation needs to be put out on the internet in plenitude. And then that will help drive the power of the website up. So taking a look at the top 3 competition, in the number 1 position from the organic search Google is the erieinsurance.com, then AWIN Insurance, AW Insurance, then Glasscock and Mina. If we take a look at their website, look at the content, they have very little content. Number 2 position, oh, we got A&W in there twice. Area Insurance. Interesting. So they have two different websites for the same company that are ranking in the 1 and 2 position. And then number 3 position is Glasscock and Minion. So I wanted to pull these up and take a look at these. They have quite a bit of content comparatively. So that's one of the reasons they're ranking in the 3rd position. And then I put all 3 of these in my tool called Ahrefs here, so we can really look at the website. I put yours in here first. You guys have actually, this is the popularity of your website, and this is the strength of it. These are actually not too bad, 24 and 13. You've got 543 backlinks, qualifying you for 73 organic keywords. However, one thing to notice, you've lost 8 backlinks and 4 keywords in the last 30 days. Your do follow, no follow is pretty good here. So we just need to increase the relevant backlinks here and qualify you for some more organic keywords. If we take a look at your organic keywords, you can see those here. So yeah, we need to bring these, especially Erie Insurance, Frederick, Maryland. You're in the 16th position. We could definitely bring these up. But in comparison, here is number 1 and 2, erieinsurance.com, 430,000 backlinks for 140,000 keywords. You can see though they've actually lost 5,000 backlinks and 160 keywords in the last 30 days. So this is a national site. Let me pare this down and actually go to the actual local competition that you have to look at. There we go. So here's your opportunity is we just need to get more relevant backlinks in here and more organic keywords. Because again, if we go back to here for you guys, you have more backlinks and organic keywords need to be more relevant. So they're pulling a lot of power from the national site here. Number 2 position is the same company, but a different website. So let's get this down to prefix. See if that makes any difference. Okay, so 217 backlinks, and you are low, DR 0. Okay, again, here's your website. So organic keywords and relevant backlinks, and then here's number 3. Very low here, very low here. You guys are beating them out in this area. So huge opportunity here for you to rank in the top 3. Relevant backlinks, I'd add maybe another 100 and then another 100 organic keywords. Okay, well, that's about it, my friend. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this is helpful for you and give you an idea of what needs to be done to rank. And if you have any questions, feel free to get back to me through the information in the email. Hope everything is well in Maryland, and I'll talk to you later.